All right, y'all, we are at Do X Sam Incorporation, or DES, and we're purchasing this 2023 Honda Click 160. This beautiful red unit right here, and this unit cost us 121,000 pesos. Also, we're buying this
I'll just test it, sir.
very nice baby here. Say again?
I'll just
Oh,
test.
oh, okay, test.
And
Okay,
also, I'll download the app.
okay. Oh, absolutely, cool. All right, so this is a 55-inch smart 4K TV. Has a lot of specs. And this unit here sells for $21,999. This is the gentleman that's helping us out. His name is Harry. Y'all come down and give him a holler. All right, let's walk upstairs so I can show you guys the washer that we're buying. Quick, this washer here goes for 15,899 pesos. It's made by Samsung also, just like the TV. And this is the unit here. That's the price. The regular price is 19,495 pesos. It's on sale 30% off, which is 15,899 pesos. 30% off. This is the washer side, and this is the dryer side. I'm sorry, the spinner side. This is where washers is made here in the Philippines. Again, this place is called Do X Sam Incorporation, or DES. You guys come down and get them a holler, because they have very good prices. Much better than some other places that we saw. All right, talk to y'all later.